All right, so we're back out front here, and we did get the gutters on this last week along with most of the lighting fixtures, so that's what we'll be focusing on. Gutters are in on the second level. So we're gonna head on in here. I don't know if these lighting fixtures were new on the outside, but if they are, they look great. Can't remember. Okay, so as we come in, looks like they got that closet door in the front there. And it looks like, I'm gonna go up here, all the can lights are in. So 1, 2, 3, I'm trying not to trip over anything, 4, 5. If I can count right. And they are all working. Excellent. Okay, as we go down the hallway here, I think those ones turned on last week. Again, I'm kind of a hard time remembering exactly, but those ones are all on and working. In here, I think that one worked last week, but there it is again. This one looks great. It's looking real close to being done, if not almost totally finished. Okay, out into the garage. Oh man, I can't remember. Out here, it doesn't look like there's been a whole lot of changes. Looks like we're still waiting for lighting up top in here, which is, you know, to be expected. The garage is probably the last thing they're thinking about here. And as we work our way in here, looks like they're getting a lot of the cabling going for the internet. Just seeing if there was anything else in there. There's not, there's no light in there yet either. In the powder room, we still have the same pendant light in there. Not pendant, I don't even know what you call that. Is that a pendant light? I'm gonna call it the upside down bowl light. But we do have pendant lighting here, and those look great. Those look really sharp. Really sharp, and I don't know if there are bulbs in them. It looks like there are. Oh, yeah. Look at that lighting. Yeah, those are nice. Oh, and looks like they got the undermount lighting in. Had I not even see that, I hit it and didn't even notice. At least on that side, it looks like on this side they're still working on it. But no, that looks awesome. Cool. In this room, nothing has changed. All looks the same. I'm just gonna do a quick pan here of all the shelving. Yeah, that's looking good. I'm gonna turn off the lights here as we go, and leave these ones over here. Take a moment. We haven't been outside in a few minutes, so we'll take a moment and walk out here for just a few minutes, just a minute or two. They don't have any lights installed up top here, but you have your outlet there. Looks like they're gonna do another outlet and a light over there also with the fan. It's nice and quiet out here. I mean, today's a perfect day. It's, you know, mid-60s. It's freezing this morning. But today is nice. Okay, and then we're gonna work our way into the bathroom here. Oh, you know what? Let's not do that yet. Oh yeah, look at that. I didn't even see those lights. Lights by the fireplace, that is super cool. Those are cool. And let's see here. Got more can lights, and then we've got lights over here too. Looks like there's 2 or 3 spotlights right there. Like smaller ones. I'm like touching the oven right now, or the range, looking into the living room, but that looks awesome. Really cool. It's crazy the difference just a little bit of light makes. Bring out all that detail work. Okay, in the bedroom. The can lights are working. The fan is working. Okay. It's got lights working there. Everything else is coming along in here. Oh yeah. Wow. I'm gonna step back by the tub here. Those are perfect. Again, it directs the light downward. It's not in your face. Looks really, really nice. I can be blinded. And then we've got a light. The light in here. Oh yeah, once they clean all this up, this is gonna look awesome. Oh yeah. Nice and bright in here. A lot of space in the shower. It felt kind of like a dungeon before, but with the light on, it actually, for whatever reason, makes it feel bigger. In the closet, we've got fan going down here. And then we've got the toilets still have not been replaced yet, here or upstairs. I did notice that, so they're working to get those in. But just to kind of pan around the room one more time here, just looking down, look up. Excellent lighting. That's awesome. Okay, and we're out of there. Heading upstairs. Finally, got those lights installed. Always looked at those lights and I'm like, where are they? Looks like they're doing starting to do finishing touches here. That's a good sign with all the blue taping. Oh, we got these lights are working. I need to come next week. I'll try and come when it's a little darker. Try and come when it's almost dark out, and we'll see if we can't get some more of these lights accentuated for you. Because right now, I mean, it's hard to tell, I think on camera, maybe not, but how much light there actually is, and it seems like it adds quite a bit when the fan does work. That guy's spinning up. Okay, walk down here a little bit. Okay, in the bathroom there was something, oh yeah, the lighting fixture in here. It's nice soft light there. It's really not, it's not too bright at all. This light's nice and bright here. Yeah, that one's nice and bright. This one's just nice and soft in here. It's really not, it's nothing like the master bathroom. Those ones are super bright, comparatively. Okay. Same thing. I can't remember I think most of these lights are brand new. But good lighting in that room. And then I'm fairly confident we're gonna find the same thing in here. Yep. Same deal, just boop. Awesome. Okay, well, that's all the lighting for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see if I can't do a walk around with the gutters around the whole top of the house and just film another outside exterior view for you. It's the progress on the road behind your house. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot new, except for they're starting to put in the alley loads right there in the center screen there as I pan here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.